चाहिँ म यहाँनिर सेन्ट अङ्कल स्कुलमा छु र हाम्रो नानीहरूको चाहिँ यहाँनिर आज एसपिएलबी कम्पिटिसन छ है र त्यसले गर्दाखेरि प्यारेन्ट्सहरू बोलाएको रहेछ है र त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ म यहाँनिर सेन्ट अङ्कल स्कुलमा आएको छु होइन र आज चाहिँ हाम्रो नानीहरूको एसपिएलबी कम्पिटिसन छ त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यहाँनिर म स्कुलमा आइरहेको है तर के कस्तो हुन्छ फेरि म तपाईँहरूलाई भनेछु है सो हेर्दै हुन्छ होला तिमीहरूको साथी होइन अब एसपिएलबी कम्पिटिसनमा सेलेक्ट भएको छ है र आज तिमीले के भन्न चाहन्छौ उसलाई भाइ अब साथीलाई के गरोस् भन्न चाहन्छौ जितोस् भन्न चाहन्छौ तिमीहरू के भन्न चाहन्छौ लु भन अन्त खै अन्त आज आज के अरे अल द बेस्टहरू देऊ न फेरि अल द बेस्ट है साथीलाई अल द बेस्ट देऊ ए लु फेरि देऊ न फेरि अल द बेस्ट देऊ साथीलाई खै कसरी दिन्छ अल द बेस्ट चाहिँ अल द बेस्ट चाहिँ कसरी दिन्छौ ए त्यसरी हो अल द बेस्ट है त्यसरी हुँदैन नि यहाँनिर हाम्रो छोरा चाहिँ अब यहाँनिर के अरे स्कुल बी कम्पिटिसनमा यहाँनिर सेलेक्ट भएको छ है यसको लागि चाहिँ हामी प्यारेन्ट्सहरूलाई बोलाउनु भएको छ है र यहाँ हेर्नुहुन्छ तपाईँले है यो यहाँ चाहिँ ए हस् हुन्छ हस् हुन्छ यहाँनिर स्कुल बीको लागि चाहिँ यहाँनिर उहाँले यहाँनिर यहाँ सेट है भइसक्नु भएको छ यहाँ चाहिँ पार्टिसिपेट गर्ने नानीहरू पनि तपाईँको छ है र आज चाहिँ यहाँनिर सेन्टर अफ है यहाँनिर एसपिएलबी कम्पिटिसन यहाँ हुन गइरहेको छ है र त्यसको लागि अब हाम्रो छोरा पनि यहाँनिर सेलेक्ट भएको छ त्यसले गर्दाखेरि म पनि आज यहाँनिर उपस्थित भइसकेको छु है आज के कस्तो हुन्छ फेरि म तपाईँलाई यहाँनिर देखाउनेछु है र यहाँनिर हेर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईँले सबैजना यहाँनिर एसपिएलबीको लागि है सबैजना यहाँनिर आउनु भएको छ यहाँ हेर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ गाइस तपाईँले पार्टिसिपेट गर्ने भए नानीहरू चाहिँ यहाँ हेर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईँले पार्टिसिपेट गर्ने नानीहरू यहाँ सबैजना यहाँ फर्स्ट रोमा यहाँनिर बस्नु भएको छ हो र अब केही क्षणमा तपाईँले यहाँनिर एसपिएलबी कम्पिटिसन है देख्न सक्नुहुनेछ है सो लकमा पनि रहनु होला
Father Headmaster, Father Kevin Moktan, the Jesuit fathers, my dear teachers, my dear students, and dear parents. All the purpose as to why we are gathered here this morning. We are here to witness the Interclass Spell Bee 2026. Actually, this event was supposed to be held way back, but because of various reasons, we could not have it on the scheduled date. That is why finally we are having it today. र अति आदरणीय अभिभावक मातापितागण हजुरहरूलाई हामीले आज निम्ति आएका थियौँ हाम्रो निम्तोलाई सहर्ष स्वीकार गर्नु भएर हजुरहरू हामी माझ हुनुहुन्छ हजुरका छोराहरूले आज स्पेल बी कम्पिटिसनमा भाग लिइरहेका छन् हजुरहरूलाई हामी यहाँ पाउँदाखेरि आज सम्पूर्ण सन्त अल्फोन्सस परिवार हर्षले गदगद भएको छ हजुरहरूप्रति हामीहरू सधैँ दिने रहनेछौँ आभारी रहनेछौँ हजुरहरू आइदिनु भयो त्यसको निम्ति धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद My dear students, Father Headmaster, during the winter break itself, he was energetic enough to send today. May I now request Father Headmaster, Father Kevin Moktan, the prefect of the school, Sir Bipin Moses, Father Binod, and one of our parents to please come forward and proceed with the lighting of the lamp. म कोही पनि एकजना अभिभावकलाई आग्रह गर्दछु दया गरिकन अगाडि आएर त्यो तालले जुन चाहिँ प्रचलन छ त्यसमा सहभागी बन्दिन हुन पनि कोही पनि Thank you Father Headmaster, thank you Bipin sir, thank you Binod, thank you so much sir. After we have invoked the blessings of God, my dear students, all of us we know the lighting of the lamp.
Parents and my dear students and my respected teachers, this Spell Bee is second event in our school. The other day we have sit and draw competition that we finished, and this Spell Bee is very, very important. I give very much importance to Spell Bee because the language, language is a tool. If you know the language well and present your class and do this second event, Spell Bee, very important event in our school. Well, okay. With this, I would like to, I declare Spell Bee, or sometimes it's called Spelling Bee also. Both are accepted. Spell Bee, spelling bee. So outside we have written Spell Bee, inside we have written Spelling Bee. 2026, I declare it open.
Thank you so much, Father Headmaster, Father Kevin Moktan. We have the judge for our event, Father Binod. We'll welcome him. We have the time Raj Gopal, Chetri sir, and Vasishta Pradhan sir. We welcome sirs. The certificates are looked after by Jenimis and her team. I, on behalf of the organizing team, welcome all the teachers who are actively helping the organizing team in making this event a grand success. Now, Father Headmaster, he has already declared this event open. Therefore, without any ado, I would like to call up on the stage the participants from various classes. I will begin with 5C. I will call out your names. Please come up. From class 5C, we have Abhiyog Subha and Shivam Chetri. Yes, a round of applause for them. 5D, we have Bishant Roka and Vidyans Chetri. 6A, we have Abhiman Rai and Sohan Thapa. 6B, represented by Aviral Subba and Divyam Chetri. 'And class 6C, we have Shivans Pradhan and Abhikrit Bujaj. Okay? The conductor for this round will be Sir Sudeep Pradhan. Therefore, I request Sudeep sir to please come up. I hand over the microphone to Sudeep sir with the rules. See you later on. God bless students. All the best.
And all the dear students. So we are here for the first round. So first, before reading out the rules, I would like the students, the participants, to please introduce yourself. Just tell me your name in the class. Okay? So we can start from 5C. Please tell me your name and your class. Come on.
Hello. Hello, my name is Abhiyog Subba and I am 10 years old.
Okay, fine. Your class? 5C. Very good. Okay. Next, your partner.
Hello, my name is Shivam Chetri. I read in class 5.
Very good. Thank you, Sivat. Next.
Hello, my name is Divyam Chetri. I study in 5D.
Very good. Next.
Hello, my name is Bishant Roka. I study in 5D.
Okay. Next class.
Hello. Hello, my name is Sohan Thapa. I am from 6A.
Very good. So next.
Myself, Abhiman Rai. I am from class 6A.
Okay. Next.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Divyam Chetri. I am from class 6B.
Okay.
My name is Aviral Subba and I am from class 6D. My name is Abhikrit Bujaj. I am from 6C. My name is Shivansh Pradhan from class 6A.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. So all the best, all the students taking part here. Okay. So now, before we begin for the first round, so there are some rules. Okay. You need to keep in mind during the session. The rules are not very tough, very simple. Okay. So please stay calm. Okay. Cool. So the basic rules we have is, I am the pronouncer here. I'll give each of the team a word. Okay? Listen to the word carefully. If it's your turn, then what you do is, first you will pronounce the word once, then you will spell it, and again pronounce. For example, if I say the word apple, if it's my turn, then what I do is, I will say apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay, so first pronounce, spell it, and then again pronounce it finally. Okay, now be careful, Daniel. Sometimes see the word apple has two P's, right? A-P-P-L-E. Don't say A-double-P-L-E. Okay, don't say A-double-P-L-E. You say A-P-P-L-E. That will be correct. Okay, so now there are no negative points. If your answer is wrong, then you need not worry. you will not be charged any negative points. So your points will not be deducted, no minus. Okay. So the questions will be in this way, clockwise 1 round, and then it ends here. We go anti-clockwise 1 round. Okay. So first we will have the English round. So for English round, we start from here. We go clockwise, and again with the English round, we go anti-clockwise, and finally end it there. Got it? So that for each subject, each team gets 2 questions. If you do not answer, if you do not spell the word correctly, then the question is not going to pass. That means if this team, you do not answer it correctly, it is not going to pass to this team. Okay, the question will be eliminated. So the next team will get another word. Got it? So no passing. Now for answering, you will get only 15 seconds. How much? 15 seconds. Within 15 seconds, you will have to answer or spell the word correctly. If you do not do so, we have a timekeeper. The bell rings, then you will not be able to answer. Your answer will not be taken into account. Got it? So I think those are the rules we have for the day. For each correct answer, you will be given 5 points, 5 marks. Okay? So if there is no correct answer, or if you answer it wrong, no need to worry, there is no negative point. Okay, so I think with this we can start the first round, the English round. Are you ready? So, all the best, Anu. Okay? First of all, congratulations, you are seated here in front of your parents, your friends, your teachers. Okay? Now, do it nicely. No need to get nervous. Okay? So, listen to the word. I have the question, the word for 5C. Ready? 5C? Okay. The first word you have is sparkling.
Sparkling. SPARKLING, sparkling.
Very good. You did right. Okay. So, first time to 5C. Sparkling. Very good. Okay, next question to 5D. You are both in one team. Okay, so you answered, you did not answer it. Okay, you are playing as a team. So the next question goes to 5D. So the question for 5D, the word is immortal.
Immortal. IMMORTAL, immortal.
Very good. Okay, so that's the way. Okay, so they are doing very good. You say the word first. Pronounce it, spell it, pronounce it. So the teams are doing well. Okay. So the third word for 6A. Pyramid.
Pyramid. PYRAMID, pyramid.
Very good. So the teams are very well prepared. Very good. Plus 5 to 6A. Okay. 6B. Your word is flavor. Flavor.
Flavor. FLAVOUR, flavor.
Very good. Flavor. Okay, that's it. Okay, the last team, the last question, the clockwise way. Your question is never. Never.
NEVER, never. NEVER, never.
Okay, because there was little confusing, I will give you a small hint. Okay, if you kindly allow me. Neighbor is someone who lives around. Neighbor, close by. Just a hint. You can use that in. So can I please allow them to answer it once for 2.5 points?
Allow them.
Okay. If you answer it right, you get 2.5 points. Okay? Neighbor.
Neighbor. NEIGHBOUR, neighbor.
Very good. That was the neighbor I was asking about. Okay? So I think we can give 2.5 points. Very good. Now, it's your word again, 6A. Now we go anti-clockwise. Okay? This is your word. The word is ultraviolet.
Ultraviolet. ULTRAVIOLET, ultraviolet.
Okay, that's right. Ultraviolet. So 2 points to 6. 6B? C. Okay. Okay, now you need to understand this. Be slow, not very fast. Don't go very fast. Okay, slow. Okay, clearly. Spell the word clearly so that others and me I can hear you. Okay. Okay, good. Now next word to 6P, right? Okay. The word is longitude.
Longitude. Longitude. Longitude.
Very good, very good. So, the next word for 6A. Ready? Habitation.
Habitation. Habitation. Habitation.
That's correct. Habitation. Okay. Next question to 5D. The word is performance.
Performance. Performance. Performance.
Very good. Okay. Performance. Last question for the English round. Okay. 5C. The word is pretending.
Pretending. Pretending. Pretending.
Okay, that's correct. Pretending. So that is the end of the English round. Okay. So now similarly, in the same way, we are going to play the history round again. Okay, history. So we'll directly start with the first question. First word is for type C. The word is meditation. I'm repeating it once. Meditation.
Meditation. Meditation. Meditation.
Wrong. That's wrong. Meditation. Dhyan. Okay. So the meditation is meditation. Meditation. Okay. So I think 5C is not getting any point there. Next, we have the word for 5D. The word is province.
Province.
Okay, we are very sorry. Usually nowadays. So, the last word was province, right? 5D answered it very correctly. So, we will continue with 6A. Your word is, are you listening? Okay. The word is civilization.
Civilization. Civilization. Civilization.
Wrong. You spelled it civilization.
SATION.
Okay. So civilization is wrong here.
CIVILISATION.
Our friend, he spelled it CIVILIGA. So that's not G, it should be S or Z. CIVILISATION. Civilization. Okay, so no points to 6A. So now we have another word to 6B. Your word is scripture.
Scripture. SCRIPTUR is scripture.
Good. So it's right now 6B. Last round question to the for the clockwise round. 6B. 6C. Okay. Your word is mythical.
Mythical. MYTHICAL. Mythical.
Good. So mythical, that's right. So that was the end of the clockwise round for history. We'll go anti-clockwise from 6C again. Your word is archaeological.
Archaeological. ARCHEOLOGICAL. archaeological.
Very good. Archaeological. That's right. 6B. Your word is cannibal.
Cannibal. C-A-N-N-I-B-A-L. Cannibal.
Very good. Cannibal. 6A. Okay. Your word is domestication.
Domestication. D-O-M-E-S-C-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Domestication.
No, wrong. Why are you getting confused, Nani? Go slow.
Domestication.
Okay, so you spelled it wrong. Sorry. So the correct spelling for domestication is like this: D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Domestication. Okay. Sit down. Thank you. Domestication means what? To tame, like to keep at home. Okay. So 5D. Your word is coronation.
Coronation. C-O-R-O-N-A-T-I-O-N. Coronation.
Correct. Coronation. Okay. The last one for my session here. The last question for the history round is for 5C. Inscription.
Inscription. I-N-S-C-R-I-P-T-I-O-N. Inscription.
Correct. Inscription. That's correct. So that was the end of the English round and the history round we had. So can we have the scores or we'll give it? Okay, so the scores are not yet ready, so you'll get the scores after a few rounds again. Okay, so that was my round with the English and the history round. Deepa sir?
Thank you, Sudip sir. With this, we've come to the end of the first round of the spell bee for class 5 and 6. The English and the history rounds are over. Now we move on to the second round. In this, we have science and geography. Therefore, I request Ma'am Angelina to please come up and conduct this round rather. A big round of applause for Ma'am Angelina. After the completion of the second round, we will have the third round, the mixed bag. And therefore, I request Sir Karma to please be ready with his mixed bag.
Hello. Good morning to everyone present here. So, without further delay, good morning once again to everyone present here, and all the best to my peers, 5A, B, 6A, 6B, and 6A, B, and I think that's still C, right? Okay, without further delay, by round, I'll be giving you the spellings from geography and science. First, we are going to start with the geography round, okay? So first we go clockwise. You have 15 seconds. Please don't be nervous. And first you need to pronounce the word, spell the word, then again pronounce the word. So don't forget that, okay? So you have 15 seconds to spell the word. So listen carefully, okay? And please listen to the pronunciation first. So clockwise, first word for class 5C, spell the word satellite.
Satellite. S-A-T-L-I-T. Satellite.
I'm sorry, it's wrong. Yes, judges? I heard it wrong. Yes? Yes, it's wrong because there is double L, okay? So you only spell the one L. The correct spelling is S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E. Okay, so you don't get marks there. The next word for 5D, gravitational.
Gravitational. G-R-A-V-I-T-A-V-I-O-N-A-L. Gravitational.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, now 6C, spell the word, sorry, 6A, spell the word luminous.
Luminous. L-U-M-I-N-O-U-S. L-U-M-I-N-O-U-S, luminous.
Yes, that's correct. You get 5 points there. Now 6B. Ready? 6B. You need to spell the word constellation.
C-O-N-S-T-E-L-L-A-T-I-O-N, constellation.
Yes, that's correct. Class 6C. Spell the word elliptical. Elliptical.
Di ba? So, kapan?
Elliptical. E-L-E-P-T-I-C-A-L, elliptical.
I'm sorry, you got it incorrect there. Okay, that's the incorrect spelling. The correct spelling is E-L-L-I-P-T-I-C-A-L, elliptical. Okay? So, done with the clockwise round, right? Now, the next word is for you once again, okay? Anti-clockwise. Class 6C, spell the word laboratory. Laboratory. Laboratory, room for scientific research.
Laboratory. L-A-B-O-U-R-A-T-Y, laboratory.
I'm sorry, class 6, there is a small error there. Your correct spelling for laboratory is L-A-B-O-R-T-O-R-Y. Okay? You spelled it U, so you get it wrong there. Next one, class 6B. Ready? Precipitation.
Precipitation. P-R-E-C-I-P-I-T-A-T-I-O-N, precipitation.
Yes, that's correct. Well great, 6B. Now the next word for class 6A. Okay, listen to the word carefully. Illumination.
Illumination. I-L-L-U-M-I-N-I-L-L.
Okay, I'm sorry, I cannot give you a second chance. As per the rule, the correct spelling is I-L-L-U-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N, illumination. Okay? Okay, class 5D. Spell the word disintegrate.
Disintegrate. D-I-S-I-N-T-E-G-R-A-T-E, disintegrate.
Yes, that's correct. Very good. Class 5A, you spell the word equinox. Equinox.
Equinox. E-Q-U-A-N-O-Q-M.
Confusion.
I'm sorry, you got it wrong. The correct spelling is E-Q-U-I-N-O-X. Equinox. I hope I'm clear with the pronunciation, right? Judges?
It's going wrong.
Yes. The second round, we go. We start playing with from the subject science. Second round, first word for class 5C, clockwise. Be ready. Listen to the word carefully. Okay. Spell the word hypothesis. Hypothesis. Come on. Hypothesis. Okay, time's up. I'm sorry, I cannot give you a second chance. Hypothesis is the correct spelling for hypothesis. 5D. Are you ready? Quantum. Quantum.
Quantum. Q-U-A-N-T-U-M, quantum.
Yes, that's the correct spelling. You get it right. Class 5D. Class 6A. Spell the word apparatus.
Apparatus. A-P-P-A-R-A-T-U-S, apparatus.
Yes, that's the correct spelling. And 5 points to 6A. 6B. Ready? Spell the word carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. C-A-R-B-O-H-Y-D-R-A-T-E, carbohydrate.
Yes, you got it right there. Very good. Well done. Class 6B. Class 6A. Spell the word invertebrate. Invertebrate.
Invertebrate. I-N-V-E-R-T-E-B-R-A-T-E, invertebrate.
Yes, thank you very much. You made it well. Correct. Class 6C. Okay, now again, the next word to class 6C once again. Class 6C, are you paying attention? You need to spell it. We're going anti-clockwise now, right? Now, listen to the word carefully, okay? Ornithology.
Ornithology. O-R-N-I-T-H-O-L-O-G-Y, ornithology.
Yes, very good. Ornithology. The study of birds. Okay. Now, class 6B, spell the word hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, hemoglobin.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, class 6A, spell the word catalyst.
Catalyst. Catalyst. Catalyst.
Yes, correct. 5 points, class 6A. Well done. Now we have 5D. We have, spell the word mechanism.
Mechanism. MECHANISM. Mechanism.
Correct. The last word for 5C. Spell the word microscope.
Microscope. MISCROSCOPE. Microscope.
I'm afraid, sorry, I cannot give you marks there. You spelled it wrong. The correct spelling for microscope is MICROSCOPE. Okay? So thank you so much. Dear spellers, you did it well. And it's time for me to leave the stage. Thank you very much. Your audience.
Thank you, Ms. Angelina. Now for the last round, that is the mixed bag. I request Sakama to please come up onto the stage and conduct this round. Thank you.
Class 5 and 6, you ready? This is your last round. Okay? This is going to be your last round. And I don't think I need to tell you any rules and regulations. You are already informed, right? Okay? All you need to know is, here in this round, you'll be getting the words you'll be getting. They are all mixed up, okay? From any subjects you can get. Understood? Understood? Okay, first word is for class 5. C, right? C. Okay, your word is fierce.
Yes. FEARS. Yes.
I am sorry, that is incorrect. Your correct spelling is fierce. 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 Understood? Okay, and next thing, be slower, okay? Don't rush. Okay, you might miss the letters in between. Understood? Be slower, be calm, and answer it. Understood? Okay, next word for 5D. Here in this, for this word, listen to the sentence I'm telling you, okay? Aurangzeb's reign ended with his death in 1707 AD. Now, your word is reign.
Rain. REIG. Rain.
Very good, that's right. Okay? Next word is for 6A, right? 6A, okay. Your word is porridge.
Pollination.
I cannot say
POLLINATION.
pollination. That is why, first listen to me carefully, okay? Can I give them one more chance? The chance, please.
Give them for half.
For half marks, 2.5. Yeah. Okay. Listen to the word, okay? Porridge. Okay, small hit for you. Okay, porridge.
Porridge. PORRIDGE. Porridge.
That is correct. Okay, next class. 6B. 6B, your word is plowing.
Plowing. PLOUGHING. Plowing.
Very good, that is 2 points for 6B. Now, clockwise, last word is for 6C, right? 6C, your word is descendant.
Descendant. DESCENDANT. Descendant.
That is correct. Very good. Okay, that was the first clockwise round. Now for anti-clockwise, I'll again start with 6C. 6C, again your word is Paleolithic.
Paleolithic.
This is the word from history.
Paleolithic. PALAEOLITHIC. Paleolithic.
Correct. 2 points for 6C. Now 6B, your word is, you ready? Your word is Extinction.
Extinction. EXTINCTION. Extinction.
Come again.
Extinction. EXTINCTION. Extinction.
That is incorrect. I'm sorry. Your correct spelling is, listen to it. Extinction. Okay. EXTINCTION. No, you did not say that. I'm sorry. Okay. 6A, right? Your word is fauna.
Funnel.
Fauna. FAUNA. Fauna.
Correct. Listen. Correct? Yes, yes. Please.
First one that time it was correct when they pronounced first time.
So I'll give full points for this. Okay. Congratulations, class 6B. You got the full points. Okay. Okay. Next word is for 5D. Your word is, listen to it carefully. 6A. 5D, right? Your word is diurnal. Can I give them one more time?
Yes.
Listen to it carefully, okay? This is a word from science subject, okay? It has got something to do with sunlight, the activities which happens during daytime, or the animals or plants which are active in daytime. Okay? The opposite word for it is nocturnal. Okay? So your word is diurnal.
Diurnal. DIURNAL. Diurnal.
Very good. That's okay. Last word for this round. Okay. Class 5C. Ready? Again, for this word, I think you need to hear the sentence first. Okay. Doctor asked the patient, "What is your weight?" Okay. Patient replied, "I weigh 58 kgs. Okay. Now your word is weigh.
Wedge. WEIGST. Wedge.
Come again.
Wedge. WEIGST. Wedge.
I am sorry. I am afraid that is incorrect. And this is not wage. This is weigh. Okay. Correct pronunciation is weigh. And your spelling is WEIGH. There is no E. Okay. That was incorrect. So with this we complete this round.
There is a tie in between class 5D and 6B.
5D and 6D. 5D and
6B.
6BB. B. Okay. Okay, I'll give one more. Okay. 5D, are you ready? I just don't know what happened. There's a tie, okay, between you and 6B. Okay? Okay. Tie means when you get the same points with another group, the another group is also getting the same points. Okay? For here, we need to break the tie. Okay? For that, you will get words. As long as you did not break the tie, you will get some words. Okay? Okay? So you ready? This is the word for tiebreaker. Let me think which one. 5D. Your word is establishment.
Establishment. ESTABLISHMENT.
Correct. Okay. Class 6B. Your tiebreaker word is synchronous.
Synchronous. SYNCHORONOUS.
I
Synchronous.
am afraid that is incorrect. Your correct spelling is SINCHRONOUS. Okay? You forgot the letter R. Okay? So that was it. I hope you all had a good time. Okay? Now I would like to hand over the mic to Abhijit himself.
Thank you so much, Sir Karma.
Spellbee is,
With this, we've come to
off,
the
right?
end of the first
Second.
segment of our program, Spellbee, which was conducted by Sir Sudhi Pradhan, Ma'am Angelina, and Sir Karma, respectively. Thank you so much, class 5C, 5D, 6A, 6B, and 6C. You all were equally wonderful, and you all, the level of the competition was very high. Therefore, we had to break the tie at the end. Congratulations, coming up onto the stage. See, winning matters, but coming up onto the stage and participating itself proves that it's a testament that all of you are winners. A big round of applause for all our leaders who are winners. Thank you. Ms. Benita. Award ceremony, it will take some time. Therefore, amongst you all, whoever wants to sing a song can come up until the certificates are ready. Whoever wants to sing for all of us, you may please come up. Okay, we will begin. There were 5 teams participating, 5C, 5D, 6A, B, and C. We have to have a winner, we have to have the runner-up, we have to have the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th position. And in this segment of our spell bee, the team that came 5th, we will begin with the team that has come 5th. So I think we have the certificates for the team that has come 5th. And the team that has come 5th with a total of 20 points is class 5. Class 5C, wonderful, 5C. They have stood 5th. They participated, that is much more important to us. So the 2 boys who were representing their class, class 5C, Abhiyog Subba and Shivam Chetri, please come forward and receive your The 2 boys who are participating from class 5C are Abhiyog Subba and Shivam Chetri. A big round of applause for these 2 gentlemen. Thank you, boys. Please go and sit down. Now we move on to the 4th position. The team that stood 4th in this segment of our spell bee with a total points of 32.5. Class 6A. Class 6A represented by Abhiman Rai and Sohan Thapa. Now, we move on to the 3rd position. The team that came 3rd in this segment with a total of 40 points, class, absolutely right, class 6E, represented by Shivansh Pradhan and Avikrit Bhujal. Muwarko, Naniharko, Mata Pita, Abhivavganko yaunu bhako cha bhane माथि मञ्चमा आइदिनु होला भने निवेदन टक्राउँदछु. Shivansh Pradhan, Avikrit Bhujal. We have the mother of Shivansh Pradhan. Such a wonderful sight. I think somebody has to take a snap for this. Sudipta, Anupapta, if you could do the needful of taking the snap. Hurry, come on. मलाई लाग्छ एउटा आमाको निम्ति यो भन्दा अर्को गर्वको क्षण हुन सक्दैन. Thank you so much, ma'am. Second was class. How do you all know the result? The result is with me. The team that stood 2nd with 50 points, class 6B, the participants were Aviral Subba and Divyam Chetri. Aviral and Divyam, Mata Pita ko yaunu bhako cha bhane माथि मञ्चमा आइदिनु होला भने निवेदन टक्राउँदछु. Now obviously I don't have to pronounce who came first. Nani, we'll do it later on. Anupam, thank you. The team that stood first with, the team that stood first with 55 points, class 5D, represented by Vishal Koka and Divyansh Chetri. Nani, I'm going to pick up the video. Vishal dari Divyansh ka mata pita आउनु भएको छ भने अभिभावकगणहरूलाई माथि मञ्चमा फादरले निम्त्याइराख्नु भएको छ। सबैजना माथि मञ्चमा आएर हाम्रो स्कुल म्यागजिनको निम्ति यो फोटो लिइदिनु हुन पनि नम्र निवेदन चक्राउँदछु। माई डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स, with this we come to the end of the first segment of our day-long event, the Spell Bee. I request the class 12 volunteers and the captains of the school to please ask the students to leave the hall very quietly and in a disciplined way, in a line. I request Ms. Vinita, the coordinator of the event, to please come up for the photograph. याद रहोस् आमा बाबा माता पिता वर्ग, मिस विनिता जो अहिले स्टेजमा चढिराख्नु भएको छ उहाँ यस इभेन्टको कोअर्डिनेटर पनि हुनुहुन्छ। हामीहरूमा एकछिन अनुभव छ, एकछिन फादर विनोद हाम्रो जजलाई पनि माथि मञ्चमा आइदिनु हुन पनि निवेदन चक्राउँदछु। फेरि पनि एकपल्ट हाम्रा अभिभावकगण मातापितालाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। हजुरहरूको फर्स्ट काम छोडेर पनि हामीहरू माझमा हाम्रो निमन्त्रणालाई स्वीकारेर हजुरहरू आइदिनु भयो, त्यसको निम्ति धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। फादर प्लिज।
Listen, now Spell Bee competition for class 5 and 6 is over. Now after the break we have Spell Bee for 7 and 8.
ओके ओके र स्पेल बी चाहिँ यहाँनिर अन्त भइसकेको छ है। र हजुरहरूलाई यहाँनिर हाम्रो नानीहरूलाई धेरै धेरै कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन्स पनि मिसले है। यहाँनिर मिसले यहाँनिर है मिसले टिम बनाउनु भएको रहेछ हो यहाँनिर है। र मिसलाई पनि धेरै धेरै कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन्स है। हजुरले र आजको भ्लग चाहिँ यहाँनिर समाप्त है। धन्यवाद सबैलाई।